What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making homemade blueberry cornbread. This is a sweetened cornbread, y'all, and it's so delicious. Let's go ahead and get started. So first I have 2 cups of self-rising cornmeal mix along with 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then I have 1/2 cup of sweetener or sugar and 2 eggs that have already been beaten. This is 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter and then 1.5 cups of buttermilk. Now you're gonna mix these ingredients until they're combined. You don't wanna over mix that batter. Cornbread batter will split and crack at the top if you over mix it. And then here's 1 cup of fresh blueberries. Go ahead and fold those in. And then I'm gonna grab my cast iron skillet. Traditional cornbread's made in a cast iron, and this is 1/4 cup of melted butter. This will give that cornbread the crispy edges and the nice crispy crust, especially on the bottom. You can use whatever type of pan you like. And so this is heating on medium heat, and I'm adding the cornbread batter to that warm pan. This again helps get that crispy crust. And then I'm gonna bake that. I've got a 400-degree oven, and I bake that for 25 minutes until a toothpick returns clean. Then let that fully cool. While it's cooling, I like to spread a little bit more butter on there and dig right in.